Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Dr. Kyle Explains, your YouTube channel where we go through GCSE science content quickly and easily. Today we're going to be going over a triple only topic, atom economy. So, thank you to everyone who is giving the videos thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and please don't forget to turn on all bell notifications. So, let's grab some paper, grab a pen, and let's grab that calculator, and let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so some key points then. So atom economy is the measure of how many reactants end up in the desired products. So i.e. that means how efficient the reaction is. Now this is pretty much exactly the same as efficiency in physics. So it's a very similar concept just in chemistry. Now, it is important for sustainable development and economic reasons to have a reaction with a high atom economy. That's the reason why we need to work this out, because obviously the better the atom economy, the more sustainable it is and the more economic reasons you have for doing it. So the equation then. So the equation is this. It is the desired product, or the MR, I should say, the desired product, MR of desired product over the total MR of reactants, okay, times 100. Now, I'll go into it in a little bit more detail in a second what that actually is, but you do need to learn this equation. You will not get given it in the exam. So, as always, let's have a look at some calculations. If you want to have a go at them, then please feel free to do so. Or if you just want to listen and see how I'm working this out, then you're more than welcome to do that as well. Okay, so let's have a look at an example then. So work out the atom economy for the formation of NH4Cl from NH3 and HCl. So we've got the desired product, or the MR of it, over total reactants times 100. So what does that mean? So I always think, let's just figure out what we've got here. So the desired product, that's what we're trying to make, formation of that. So I've got NH4Cl over NH3 plus HCl. And then obviously times 100. Now, those of you that are particularly good at maths might have spotted it already, but if you haven't, there's a reason why I'm getting you to work this out. So NH4Cl then, so let's put some numbers in, put it down here. So NH4Cl is 53.5, so just doing that one here, over, or ammonium chloride, 17, which is ammonia, plus 36.5. Times that by 100, and then in my calculator, I can literally press my button here, and I go 53.5 over 17 plus 36.5 equals times 100, and it comes out as 100%. Now, let's have a look at that then. Of course it's going to be 100%. Look at the equation. All of my reactants are ending up in all of my products. I haven't got plus anything else in this equation, and so therefore I've got no waste products. This is a very efficient reaction in terms of its economy because it's 100% efficient. All of my reactants end up in all of my products. All of the atoms in my reactants end up in all of the products. So this is a very efficient reaction. That's a good reaction. Let's have another look at another equation and see if we've got the same thing. Okay, so work out the atom economy for the formation of NaCl from NHCO3 and HCl. So again, I've got desired product, that's what I want to make, over total reactants times 100. And so what I'm going to do then, so work out the atom economy for the formation of NaCl. So I'm going to do NaCl over, that's my product, NHCO3 plus HCl. Now, stick in some numbers then. NaCl is 58.5, working out the MR. Remember, if you're not sure how to work out these numbers, please go back through to my playlist for how to work out relative formula mass. And I've got 84 for NaHCO3 plus I've got HCl, which is 36.5. And so working this one out then, and then obviously we're going to times that by 100. So I've got 58.5 over 84 plus 36.5 equals times 100. And this one comes out, once you've times that by 100, as 40, if you round it up, 49% efficient. And so looking here then in the equation, you can see that was my desired product. That's what I wanted to make. But actually, this reaction also produces these waste products. So again, it's essentially efficiency calculation. You're seeing how many atoms actually end up in here compared to how many waste products you've got. So this one is only 49% efficient in that regard. Okay, let's have a look at this final one. What is the atom economy for the formation of Na2SO4 from H2SO4 and NaOH? So, desired product over total reactants times 100. And so here then, I'm going to form that. So that's what I'm making. Na2SO4. Remember, you can pause the video and have a go at this if you want to have a go before I kind of tell you. Over my reactants. Now you have to be a little bit careful on this one. H2SO4 plus 2 lots of NaOH times 100. Stick in some numbers. Na2SO4 is 142 over, and then I've got 98 for H2SO4, and then NaOH is 40, but I'm going to times that by 2 because I've got 2 lots of it up here. Okay, times 100. Okay, stick that in my calculator. So I've got 142 over 98 plus 40 times 2, close brackets, times 100 equals, and I get an efficiency of pretty much, once you round it up, 80%. So this one you had to be a little bit careful just because there was a 2 there, so there's on the reactants, the total number of your reactants, you've got 1 and then 2, 3 reactants that you had to add in. Really well done if you got that one right. Okay, so today then what we've done is we've defined atom economy and we've explained its importance, and that we've calculated atom economy from a chemical reaction. Thank you very much for watching. Please do go through my other playlists for more GCSE science content. And remember, if you ever need help with your GCSE science, Dr. Kyle explains.